evening, it's just gone 6 o'clock. I thought, well, if the weather's not going to clear up, so the low tide's in 2 hours, then I thought, well, I'll go for a walk along the seafront towards Altwick. Thought, well, do a nice evening walk for your time now. Have a nice evening walk down to the beach and along. It's not low tide yet, so, but I'll still enjoy it. Go for a little walk. And I might end up I might go the other way and come back that way. That'd be quite cool. Yeah, they need to empty that bin, don't they? Oh well. Yeah, the weather's still cloudy. Still strange weather for May. Found it a little colder than usual for May. So I've got my coat on. Here, got my bag. I've got my water. You should always have water on you. So there's boat out there with them. Might be, I don't know. Yeah. It's a boat anyway. Cargo ship, I think. Oh, of course. I won't engage forces of Southampton on my own. Like it was. Because I can't do it now. I'll have to do my own thing now, it's good, isn't it? It's not full low tide, but I thought, well, I shall go for a little walk. I'll go that way instead, go this way. It's sort of going down, the tide is receding. So I go and walk down here. Go walk down towards the Mulvey Harbour wreck. Which just, you can just about see it. Just about see it there. That's good. And towards Altwick. That little rock point over there. Gotta go there. And so a nice walk. Get some exercise done. Still rushing my hand, I think I need to do a new plaster on it. That's good. I wish I could go to work, but well, rules are rules. You get the answer they can, of course. Guess that like if you did sick, you can't go to 24 hours, I think. You can't really take any risk with surgery. Nice low tide. Okay, low, it's not low tide at all. Sunset time, but I'll go stay there. It's not then. Actually a shorter walk. Because from my old place, I've got quite a far to go. Obviously. No, this way. Go this way. That's a little walk. You see. Yep. Of course, yes, I am alone now mostly. But I prefer being alone, doing my own thing. It's nice and peaceful. It's nice to go to see my friends torn down this road, like, no, that's good, isn't it? If I was out with my town, I'd just love to be peaceful on my own, it's nice. So peaceful by the sea. So glad I'm not in a toxic, clingy friendship anymore, so that's good. So glad that things are better now. I just do myself and do my things. I'd want to go to Portsmouth on a really windy day and stuff like that. Just to see a ferry. Wow, that's not that interesting. Wasn't it anyway? Yay. Enjoying my little walk. There's the seagulls, there's the sea geese. Yeah, there's the Waverley. Nice, get nice food there. See those going mad. I'll wait there for some of the harbour. Getting towards the Mulberry Harbour Wreck now, you can see it over there. That's nice. So it's good progress so far. Very nice, isn't it? Just do this at all, because I've been 8 months with that other person. Wasn't able to do the stuff I wanted, so I guess friendship meant I did different things for a while, but yeah, but on this night doing my thing. That's why I love doing my own thing. Yay! That's good, that. That's what matters, really. But yeah, I've never had past experiences with past relationships with people who are from care homes and stuff. I don't know why they're attracted to me, they're just stuff. Because they're in certain situations that they're in care, I think they miss me. That's probably, they get jealous of me because I'm in such a situation. I think that's why they're all supposed to do, yes. That's off doing their own thing, so that's good. So it's for the best, that's good. There's a lovely little beach here. It's very nice. Look, that's where I've been. People walking their doggies. That's nice. Close to the Mulberry Harbour right now, folks, up there to the island. Then I head over to the rocks and sit up there, get a good view, look at that towards this way. Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? It's paddleboard weather, as someone would say. But I'm glad it didn't last into the summer. I wouldn't be confident to go far out to the sea on my own. So glad I'm not now, that's good, isn't it? And no way am I spending £1,000 to go on holiday. Rather go, sounds good to go to the Heathrow Hotel. Yes, I don't go far, but you don't need to go far to enjoy life. But everything right here is good, isn't it? Of course, he's at the age where, like, you want to have fun excitement, whereas I'm at the age where everything's fine. That's good, isn't it? Here's the Mulberry Harbour Wreck. It's nice, isn't it? Left out the pontoon from the water apparently. Used to stop the German ships coming across, I think. Little ship there. There's Pagan. Not going to walk there today. I don't do the car when it's a nice sunny day and anyway there, of course. It wouldn't start a long walk this time. Look at that. Yeah, it's like a little skeleton, isn't it? Looks like a crocodile skeleton from this angle. Actually, it does look like a crocodile skeleton from this angle. Yeah, there you go. That's what it looks like. People look at their jockeys, that's what I get off video. big. Yes, to look at that for a little bit. To get head to that pile of rocks over there, go up top. Tide's not low enough to go around, I'll just go around the top bit. And then I think, because it's low tide, I think I might go for a walk around the other way, then I'll be back home quicker. That's thirsty. Just get myself over to here. Nearly there. Just going to go up there because you can go around there. And there's a good viewpoint from there. Then I'll head back down Dark Lane, Strange Garden, and head back the other way, the other route by the football field. That'd be cool. I'll do that because it's not a very low tide in the sunset, so I'll do a nice circle route. Hey. And on this way. Very carefully, of course. And just go up the step. Careful, careful. That's how steep the fence is. This is your border between Lochner and Altwick Beach. It's a good lookout point up here. As you can see. It's lovely. Good view. You can see it all the way to Littleton. And there you are, it's good. Wow. It's still here, isn't it? Definitely. We're going to go for, as it's not sunny, we're going to go through down there and around the estates and past the food, then back down to where our road is. How cool is that? That's going to be fun. Nice, well, gives us a chance to set out the area because I haven't been able to do that. So now we can. Yay. Put that down, now go head up this way, down up that path, and there's a way to get back home that's nice and easy. That's good, isn't it? I got the shingle, and now I've got this way. You do go around the streets there, but it's getting fun to explore. I've ready to reach the heights. I head towards the road with an interesting name. Where's the sign? Look at the sign. That was the sign there. There's a filter that you go for. Head down this way. You see there's a sign that says Dark Lane, it's a strange garden. This place is called Dark Lane Strange Garden. I don't know why it's called that, it's just this, but I just can't find the road sign, so I think I lost the road sign. That's on the roadside, who knows? But yet, Friday Estate there. Oh, there it is. Strange Garden, Friday Estate. Can you imagine Strange Garden, Friday Estate? That's where I just come from. So I go head this way, then check on my map. Head this way. Down Dark Lane, I think there's a little spot where he goes that way. Down that way first. And then you head up this way towards the football ground, so I'll do that now. Nice walk. You hear the nice sounds of the nature. Go down this alleyway. So I know where I'm going. Once you can know the map very well. Let's go walk this way until I get to a main road. Then head down that towards the football stadium. Lovely nature. It's good to find out these little walks I could do. Oh, lovely evening, so it's nice. It's not too late yet, it's only 7 o'clock. Be back home definitely at 8 o'clock, obviously. Yay! Wow. Nice candles at the start of the year, those seeds. Little horse chest that look like candles, that's why they're called candles. There's quite a lot of them. Well, we'll see the woods behind you, of course. Peaceful, no my own. Hi. Yeah, well, I thought the whole thing. Thought there's some key points to go this way, that way. This lane going that way, but at least that down to the coast. Go down this way. Nice house. You go down this nice alleyway with this. Take you right first this way. It's pretty. It's not sketchy, it's nice. 12 seats down there. It's peaceful. And this way until we get to what are they, roads. It's so lovely. I just doing a nice little walk here a second ago. It always nice to meet people on your walks. This is so pretty. If I go this way down Altwick Fields and follow the road towards the main road, so I go do that. Cross it first, yeah. Then go down the path. It's a pretty area. Of course, do step forward and filming, make sure there's the even. That's good, isn't it? It's a nice walk. Now I'm heading in the right direction of home, towards home. With circle there somewhere. Hey. Hey, oh, here I am. I found out where that road is down here. Now walk that way. That's good, isn't it? So then I've got about 19 minutes walk away. Just going to go across the roundabout, cross it carefully in the path, of course. There's the roundabout. And I should get to Boston Football Club. And then a shortcut to my flat. That's cool, isn't it? Finally gets to know my local area. Finally. Now I'm fully by myself. I can do that. I like exploring. Oh yeah, Hawthorne Road's going this way. I walk back towards my flat. Go down my back every now and then. Walk down Hawthorne Road and then football club's over here. And I go along this road and that road. About 15 minutes away from home apparently. I can go for a rest here. So according to the map I turned down this alleyway. To go that way, I go this way. That's the path. Wow. Gauge Ridge already footpath. It's quite pretty. Wow. Yeah, this is a good shortcut to my flat apparently. About 13 minutes away there. It's good. Google Maps helps you where you go. Oh, it's beautiful. You can hear the nature. Hi. Oh, good. Oh, they got young in there. You can hear them. Lovely evening. Yeah, I know, I go in my map says 12 minutes until I'm home. So that's good. This is good exercise. I love these little throughways. They're amazing. Didn't realise my town had so many of these. Oh yeah, that's the football ground. Sort of see it. You can see the lights I can see from my flat. I can see those lights on my flats there. Yep, I know where I'm going now. It's this way. Yeah, past the football field. Wow. I didn't notice anyway, since until now. It's such a good idea to do. And it's safe. Darting around far from me. I know, I'm nearly home. My map's there saying just that 10 minutes, not going to fall all the way from home. They could over my flat, so my flat is over there. Let's go get follow the path. Wow. It's a nice path. So peaceful. I'm the only one doing it. Oh well, I guess I don't think well, it's dangerous, don't they? How else do you walking along type thing? Yes, I have right now. There's a road down there. Oh, no robin. Oh, so cute. I could hear John calls when I was waking up this morning. I was like, oh, so pretty. almost done a sort of like rectangle circle. My flat's just over down there, so got to go down a different kind of way after this road. That's what I'll do. And here's where I'm going. Have a safe journey home. Oh, I like that. Well, I think I should go there, but yep. Let's have a little look at which way we're going next. Take us down the alleyway. Bloody footpath. Yeah, my flat's just over there somewhere. Gotta go down this alleyway first. Pardon me. Down this alleyway now. From one alleyway to another. Wow. These direct footpaths are really clever. Very useful as well. Of course, on this road into Marshall Avenue at the other end of this. And that's near my house. That's good. It's like about 80 or 90,000 people in my town. Not, I've only seen one so far. Oh, there you go. Hey, look. That's beautiful building. Hello. Where's the lady? There's a lady running. Hello. Hello. Hello, buddy. There it goes. Oh, beautiful, aren't they? They'll say, I look to what is nearby when you see a running, and that's very true. Not a thing to think about, you know. Just a lovely Wednesday evening walk. Let's go check them out now. This goes even further this way. But this one's telling to go this way because my flat is to here. This direction. This is like the little loop road, which just like my flats. Take this way now. What's that? It's a cat, I think. I thought I saw a toddy cat. I did see a toddy cat. That's my best tweaky impression. I did see a toddy cat. I did see a toddy cat. Of course. Head back now. That's a nice walk. I like this walk. Where'd that cat go? I think it ran away. Let's check where I am on the map. Well, I am on here. Yeah, just go this way, continue around here. That bounces Victoria Drive. Wow. Nice donkey fossil tree. It's otherwise I did have that there. Those things go 60 foot tall, but there you go. But not in my lifespan. It took some years to grow that high. It's this way. Oh, that's nice. Like London in flower. I think it's this way. It is. Yay! I'm on my blocks now, basically. And that's how you do a nice trip home. There's Victoria Drive down there. That's how you do a nice circuit. After a nice look with my home, that's nice. That was a good walk. Nice garden. It's good to use Google Maps to navigate where you're going. It was a good idea. Because now I would take a knife let. Yes, those ducks is being knife let. And we're back. How did we do that? We just did, you see. Back home. And look, the adventure.